Okay, we're going to choose a random rock from the selection of rough stones here in front of you.
Oh, you like that one?
So this is the rock that Grace picked. Wow, at first glance, it's very difficult to see what this is. So what do you say now?
It looks like it's got a bit of quartz and some mica. I'm still not sure what stone it is.
So what's the features here? I see some pyrite. There's some pyrite on there. Gilbert, there's some pyrite.
Yeah.
And I don't know what this is. This is interesting.
This marker.
It could be, but look, there's a flat spot on that side of the rock. But this is definitely quartz based and some host rock. What do you say we put this on ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT says about it?
Okay, so you now asked ChatGPT what stone this is.
What does it say?
It says that it's a nice chunk. From the photo, this looks like a milky quartz embedded in dark metamorphic host rock, most likely schist. Schist, sorry. Sorry for the pronunciation. So it's schist or possibly amphibolite. It has irregular boundary between white and dark parts, very typical of quartz vein that's formed later and cut through the older host rock.
Yeah. The thing that we missed over here with ChatGPT, I agree with what ChatGPT is saying, but what ChatGPT couldn't see on the photo is the inclusions of the pyrite and also this area over here where there was most likely mica attached. Yeah, so it's just a common rock. It's basically just a common rock. And this time, ChatGPT, you're right. So what else was in this basket? So there's a little bit of lace agate. This, I don't know, a bit of slate. Okay, this is that, yeah, it's basically the type of host rock that you find in Messina with copper inclusions. There was a piece of rose quartz. Geez, this is just quartz. This is butter jade, piece of butter jade. This could also just be butter jade. What else? What else was in here? This is just a river rock, tumbled river rock. And this is unakite. Okay, what else? What else? This is a bit of agate. Definitely agate. Look at the surface and also the banding over there. Yeah, very interesting. This was a rock. And what else? Okay. And this is what is this?
It's a what? Chassis. What? No moment.
Cheersite?
Yeah, somewhere there.
Cheersite?
She has to light.
Yeah?
She has to light.
Huh?
She has to light. Okay, let's chuck this back on the pile, and then next week we will try and see what else is on this pile. Okay, so this is part 2 of our series of seeing if ChatGPT can actually identify rocks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Remember to subscribe.